Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be going over this Tolaccea 25DB backpack. It's an expandable backpack from 40 to 50 liters and it comes in this cool light khaki color. But before we get started, let me show you the complete specs that you can see from the card that it ships with. So it's the model 25DB and there's a capacity from 40 to 50 liters. It weighs 3.64 pounds. The width is 21.65 inches with 12.6 inches in height, and the depth can be from 9.45 inches, expandable all the way up to 11.42 inches. Now let's take a look at the features of this backpack, and let's get started on how to carry it. So you can carry it as a duffel bag. It comes with these two handles. They're pretty secure, so feels good to carry them because they're like double stitched on both sides, so hopefully they're durable. And it comes with these backpack straps right here. So let me show you. Let me put it on. It has decent shoulder padding, and it comes with this chest strap, so you can adjust that to balance out the weight. I wish it came with like a waist strap to balance out the weight even more, but it doesn't have one, so. And it also has a whistle for emergencies, so you can use this. So that's pretty cool. And it has this thing right here where you can attach it to your luggage, so you don't have to carry your backpack. You can just attach it to the handlebar of your luggage. So on your rolling luggage, you can just put this on top and carry it. And it also comes with this shoulder strap. So it has padding on here, and it has these hooks that you can attach to the side of the bag. So let me attach this right here. So you can attach it on one on this side. Lock that down. And we can attach one on the bottom part. Let me lock that down. Okay, so now it can be a shoulder bag. So various ways to carry this bag, which makes it very convenient. And it has these straps so you can cinch it down to make it more compact. So let me loosen that up. And right here we have a water bottle, so you can put your water bottle in this right here. And on this side right here, there's a small pocket for wet items, so you can put like maybe your swim trunks in here if they're wet. Close that up. Let me release these straps right here. So let me open it up now. So you can see there's two compartments here, and they're both zipped up. So let's see what it has. But let's start with this side. So you have a laptop compartment right here. I have my MacBook Air. This is a 13-inch MacBook. And let's open up this side right here. So right here I have my shoes, and I also have my drone here. This is my DJI drone because content creator, we need that. Let's close this up. I mean, the zippers are very easy to open up and close, so that's really nice. And on this side, we have another wet compartment right here. So I put all my toiletries in here, my shampoo and toothbrush and lotion. And right here, I put my electronic devices like chargers, cables, my DJI mic, battery pack. So that all fits in there. And on the other compartment, let's open this up. I have about a week's worth of clothes in here. So I got like 3 pairs of pants, 6 shirts, 2 pairs of shorts, and a jacket, And I also have my underwear and socks in here. So you can get a week's worth of clothing in this backpack, which makes it really nice. So what do I think of this luggage? First of all, I like its size because it replaces my rolling carry-on. I just use this by itself now. And I've used it for a week-long trip to Hawaii. It carried all my items. But I did wish it had a smaller pocket out here in the front so you can hold your passports and other smaller things. And I wish it had a waist strap to balance out the weight even more, but I mean, it looks very high quality. So what do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys are interested, you can purchase it in the link in the description to help out our channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.